So, by now, most of you already know that Richard Donner passed away, which I'm sad to say. And I hope he lived a good life because he definitely made some good movies, TV shows. He lived long, 91. It's pretty decent long life. But his filmography is just astounding. The Lethal Weapon series franchise. He's the man behind that. Assassins, which I didn't know that. Which I don't remember. If I did, I don't remember. You know, this is a good movie. This is a good movie. Scrooged. It's a good movie. Said Lethal Weapon. The first one. That movie was like, back then, like late '80s, like me and my girlfriend we used to go to the movies just about every weekend because there was always something good coming, especially in the summertime. Summertime, the movies were off the hook. It was like non-stop. Goonies, that was a good flick. The Toy, with Richard Pryor, yeah, I remember that. Said Goonies. Cult classic. Hey dog, I don't remember that as Superman 2. And I heard he got fired off of that, which that's one of those cases where the studio should just shut the f up and let the man do what he do. Because Superman, Donica, this was good. I remember. I think I bought that. Matter of fact, I did buy that. Original Superman. Yeah, I remember me and my parents, my cousins, we went to go see that. And to me, this still is still the best version of Superman on film. Still there. Omen was the bomb. When that came, I scared the hell out of me. Just this, it's like they took bits and pieces out of the Bible. That's what made it kind of scary. And his TV credits are some of them I never heard of. Or should I say, I wasn't aware that he worked on those shows. Kojak was bomb back then. Shadow on the Streets, I never heard of that. Oh, let me see. No artwork, so I don't know if I ever heard of that before. Kojak was good. Kojak was the show. Who loves you, baby? Sons and Daughters, never heard of that. Lucas Tanner. I don't know, let me see Lucas Tanner. That was an accident. I didn't look at that. Lucas Tanner, let's see. Never heard of that show. Streets of San Francisco. That was a good ass show. That was a good show. I still love that show. Michael Douglas. Cannon. That was another good show. We should watch all those old detective shows. That's when TV was just good, just entertaining. It beat you in the head. You know, it may have had a message in them, but it didn't. You know, the story was woven around. They didn't just browbeat you to death. Hernandez, Bold Ones, Ironside was good. That was a good show. Raymond Burr. Cades County. Never heard of that. Circle of Fear. Never heard of that either. And as you can see, his credits are extensive. Wild Wild West. I just love this show. That was a good show. Robert Conrad. He's also the main man in Bob All Black Sheep. That was another one. Jericho. This was a good show. Oh no, this is an old one. I don't remember this one. I remember the new one that came out on CBS. The Banana Splits. I used to love this when I was a kid. I don't know. This thing keeps jumping around. Banana Splits. Yeah, there's a lot of this when I was a kid. It's a silly show. Get Smart. Hey, he worked on a lot of shows, man. The Fugitive. That was a good show. Even the movie with Harrison Ford. That was good. Even though they're not related, but that was a good movie. The FBI. Ephraim Zimbalist Jr. Man, Get Smart. This thing started jumping around. Perry Mason, Gilligan's Island, The Man from Uncle, Twilight Zone. Have Gun Will Travel, The Rifleman, The Detectives, Wagon Train, Route 66, The Tall Man. I don't remember that one. Let's see. Oh, it's a Western. Route 66. As you can see, definitely was a talented individual, and he will be missed. I mean, we really need someone with his level of talent in Hollywood now, which we definitely don't have. You know, all we have is a bunch of activists and weirdos who self-insert themselves in things. They just don't know how to create something because it's all about politics. They're politics. You know, not entertaining people. I should have said they're not interested in entertainment. They're interested in entertainment. They want to beat you in the head, and it turns people off. But all I have to say on this is R.I.P. You will be missed, and I will see you all on the next video. Peace.